Around the nation, police in Atlanta are investigating a deadly shooting that happened outside the CDC headquarters yesterday. One officer was killed, and authorities believe the gunman was motivated by a hatred of vaccines. CNN's Jen Sullivan has the story.
The booming sound of multiple gunshots captured in this video, terrifying witnesses. Then, authorities rushing to the scene of a reported active shooter near Emory University in Atlanta Friday. Police believe the target was the headquarters of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, where multiple windows were shattered by bullets. One CDC employee says he was sitting in his car when he saw the shooter approach the building.
He raised the rifle sort of at an angle and started firing into CDC's campus.
Then the employee called 911.
The CDC campus did receive multiple rounds into their buildings.
Authorities say DeKalb County police officer David Rose was killed by the gunman.
He gave his life with a commitment to serve others.
The shooter was found dead inside a CVS store across the street. Police have identified him as Patrick Joseph White. Authorities believe he may have targeted the CDC over personal health concerns that he blamed on the COVID-19 vaccine. The CDC is one of the world's leading health agencies, but it has been forced to make steep cuts during the second Trump administration.
The fact that this may have occurred because of the dangerous lies being spread about vaccines it's an outrage.
This shooting comes days after the Trump administration announced it was canceling $500 million in federal funding for mRNA vaccine research, the same science which helped create the COVID-19 shot. And comes amid a rise in vaccine skepticism due to misinformation. New data from the CDC shows the number of kindergartners getting an exemption for required vaccines has increased since the pandemic, and the vast majority are for non-medical reasons. I'm Jen Sullivan reporting.